your Nintendo Switch is experiencing low performance, there are several steps you can take to improve its functionality. Follow these steps to help restore your device's performance. Step 1. Restart your Nintendo Switch. Turn off your Nintendo Switch completely and then turn it back on. This simple action can clear temporary glitches and improve performance. Step 2. Update system software. Go to the system settings and check for any available software updates. Keeping your system software up to date can fix bugs and enhance performance. Step 3. Clear cache. Navigate to System Settings, then to Data Management and select Save Data Club Backup. Clearing the cache can help free up space and improve loading times. Step 4. Manage storage. Check your available storage space in the system settings. Delete any unused games or data to ensure your device runs smoothly without unnecessary clutter. Step 5. Check for overheating. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is in a well-ventilated area and not overheating. If it feels hot, turn it off and let it cool down before using it again to prevent performance issues. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your Nintendo Switch's performance. Regular maintenance can help keep your device running smoothly.